I want to personally thank you for clicking on this video, and today's video is brought to you by Youngther's hair store on Amazon. So they sent me, it comes with 8 packs of braiding hair. I got the color 1B, 30, and 27. It comes with 2 clips, and it comes with a crochet needle. And it also comes with a little mirror. The hair is approximately 26 inches long, and I'm going to open up the pack on camera. And when I tell you guys, this hair is so soft, like it's very soft. Like normally with colored hair this bright, it feels rough, but this hair is very soft. It feels sort of like human hair. But this is 100% synthetic, and it is 26 inches long. And you notice when you buy other brands of braiding hair, and you have like a bright color on the end, is really thin, but on this hair it's not thin. It starts off thick and it gradually, it blends out smoothly towards the ends. This is the instructions on the braiding hair. It's really soft. It didn't have an odor. It's really smooth. Look at the ends. It's not noticeably thin. So today I'm going to be doing some knotless box braids in the back. And I'm only using 3 strands per knotless box braid. I did them a little large. She didn't want she didn't want small box braids. She wanted them a little bigger. And I will also film a video of a tutorial of me teaching you guys how to do knotless braids. It is very gentle when you braid with this hair on your hands. Like, it's not rough. It doesn't leave any calluses. It is so smooth. I highly recommend that you purchase this hair. I will leave a link of where you can purchase the hair from. Look at that. It blends out very well. So I'm just going to use the clips that it came with to hold the hair down in place. So I'm just using a little shining jam to smooth out the roots of the hair, to help you with gripping. And I will also leave a link for where you can purchase the shining jam from as well in the description below. I start off braiding her real hair, and then I add in the strands of hair, and I only added 3 strands per knotless box braid. And it blends in well with natural hair. Her hair is stretched. She just twisted it up and then just put it up into like a ponytail to stretch her hair out. No heat was used to stretch her hair out. And look how well it blends in. I try to make sure the braid is proportioned to the part, because you don't want like a super skinny plait with a large part. So now I'm almost finishing up the top, well, the back of with the knotless braids. And these braids, they're very painless. It's very gentle. There's no tension. I highly recommend if you have like a sensitive scalp to try these braids. This whole style is very gentle. Everything is knotless. It looks as though it's coming from her scalp. She could literally put these in a ponytail the same day she get them done. Normally when you have like regular box braids, you have to wait a couple days because it's very stiff and it's like a lot of tension going on. So these are not, these are soft and gentle. And so as you can see, it blends in very well with her natural hair. I don't know her texture, don't quote me, I don't know, but it blends in very well. So now I'm in the front doing the feed-in braids. I do start off braiding her rear hair off, and then I eventually add strands to the feed-in braid. And for this particular style, I've added 5 strands to the feed-in braids because I don't want it to be too thick. I want it to blend in with the knotless box braids. Because normally when I do like half of the head, I use 6 strands, but I want the strands, I want the braid to match the size of the knotless box braids. Because if I would have used 6, it would have been too thick. If you would like to know how to do a feed-in braid, I will link a video down in the description on how to do it. If you would like to learn how to braid to the scalp, I will also link both of my videos down below for you to watch to learn, because I know everybody is under, you know, because of what's going on, trying to learn new skills. So I will do a favor and I will link those videos down below so you guys can learn how to braid, how to do a feed-in braid, and I will be recording a tutorial on how to do a knotless braid, so stay tuned for that. Please excuse the way I braid. You know, everybody has their own way of braiding hair. The way I show you in my tutorial is way different from how I'm doing it here. I braid this way to make it easier on my hands, so I won't have any cramps or anything. Because my hands, it doesn't get sore in anything braiding like this. So now I'm almost finishing up the front. We just went with a simple little tribal little style, except she didn't want the braid in the middle of her head. And like I said, we're only using 5 strands in the front. So now I'm just continuing to braid down. Like I said, this style is very gentle, it's tension free. It looks as though the braids are her real hair. We did 8 feed-ins in the front. She didn't want them too small or too big. So we went with this simple design. This style is very versatile. Like, she can wear it in a bun, she can wear half up, half down, she can put it in a ponytail, she can style it into like a mohawk or something. You know, it's very versatile. If you would like to purchase the items in the video, click the links below. Any videos mentioned in this video, click the links below. For serious business inquiries, email is below. Thank you for watching.